Ever looked at a real estate project and felt lost in static layouts, brochures, or scattered spreadsheets? With MAPOG, you can transform those into an interactive campus map that makes navigation, coordination, and decision-making effortless. To get started, head to story.mapog.com and click Create. Give your project a title and description, then save it. This initializes your interactive map workspace. Next, go to Process Custom Location and choose the geo-referencing option to align your layout with real-world coordinates for accurate placement. In the toolbox, search your desired location using coordinates or place names for precise placement. Then upload your layout image in JPG, PNG, or JPEG format and click Next. Then, use drawing modes like 4 points, rectangle, or square and click Start Drawing. Add control points to align the layout with the base map, then click on Next. Adjust opacity, rotation, and scale until everything fits perfectly, then save. Once the layout is uploaded, click on Add Custom Location and open the custom location settings. From there, select Add More Custom Location Template, give the template a title, set the geometry type to point, and add attributes with the right input types such as Select for building type, Multi-Select for available facilities, Number for capacity, Boolean for expandability status, and Images for interiors and exteriors to create a framework of attributes which will be filled with details that you want to capture, ensuring every plotted point follows the same structure. Also, the template can be reused for future similar map creations as well. Save the template and choose it from the drop-down. Then plot point on the map and hit Confirm, upload images and fill in the details, and save. Repeat this step for every point. To make the map more informative, click on the filter icon and segment points by selecting attribute options based on type, range, or category, then click Apply. This makes exploration easier and ensures stakeholders can quickly access the information most relevant to them. You can also sort locations by live location or search for a specific place. For example, if you search for Northwest 159th Street and want to know its distance from a plotted point, the result will be available within seconds. Finally, open the Map Layer section and select Add Layer Style to define how your data will be visually represented. In the category settings, choose the attribute you want displayed on the map, such as building type. Apply color coding and distinct icons to differentiate features. Click on Save Style and continue. Enable the legend in the Layer Management section for easy interpretation, and add labels using the label feature in Map Layer by selecting the attribute you want shown and saving it. This makes the map visually clear, informative, and easy to navigate. Once styling is complete, head to the Preview and Share section. Here you can share the map privately to teams and collaborators by adding users and assigning roles such as editor or viewer, or publish it publicly through a link or embedded map option. The result is an interactive campus map with pop-ups, filters, and labels, enhancing navigation, collaboration, and decision-making in real estate. Beyond universities or townships, these geo-referenced maps scale to commercial parks, industrial estates, and healthcare complexes, streamlining coordination and planning. Start building your own interactive campus maps today at story.mapog.com. For help with map styling or presentation flow, reach out at support@mapog.com. We're here to help.